We'll be starting in exactly 1 minute 45 seconds. Okay, I think I should just start with the forex risk disclaimer that trading forex involves a significant risk, as you can see on the screen, and may not be suitable for everybody. And another thing you must know, which is in the third line, says past performance is not indicative of future results, and you must understand the risk involved and seek professional advice if conditionally if needed. That's why, you know, you can learn from anywhere that pleases you. Okay, you can learn the business of financial trading, forex, crypto, futures, commodities, what have you. You can learn from wherever. Yeah, but yeah, fstraderkg.trade is also one of them. Okay, and we are who we are by the grace of God. Yeah, definitely, we are who we are. All right, I just want to, quickly. So we are who we are. You can check us out. The website fxtraderkg.trade. All right, and enjoy the benefits that comes, with our years of experience and our professionalism. All right. All right. So let's quickly go to the business of the day, and this is something we have intended to be doing for a very long time. We've been trying our little best to make sure that this is done and that this is also achieved. All right, so I'm just going to take this off so that we are not distracted. Okay, as you can see, we have we'll be looking at, and we will try as much as possible to look at key market movements. We will also be looking into strategies if that happens, and also deep trading insights. All right, and we will also try to break down some technical setups in the silver market. And I know the most important part is That's what people call it the most important part. But yes, it's also a part of it. One of the important part of it, potential, which is the potential entry and exit points. Yeah, okay. But before we get there, let's quickly look at what we have. All right. So what do we have here? Now, based on the fact that what we do here is, purely intraday trading. All right. FX to the KG is, purely an intraday trading. Although yes, there are opportunities and also there are times when we also trade, something different. Okay, which is those are times when we don't do intraday. Maybe there are setups for us to go long, and then we then do, the needful and then go long. Okay. One of Another thing I also want us to see, I'm going to drop an horizontal line here, and in it, in the parameter, I'm just going to, put this. All right. Now, this that I've just added here, I think I should change the color so that we can see and understand, so that it doesn't look like others. I'm going to make it this, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit. All right. I didn't change the color. All right. So let's make it magenta, or better still, we make it yellow. Right. Okay, or gold. Oh, this is good. Okay, then in the 1 hour time frame, what we do is to look for opportunities, while we're analyzing any financial assets, that comes to the desk of FX Trader KG. Now look at, what we have here. Currently, this is the candle, the 1 hour candle, that moved us up. I'm also going to make it this. Okay, this is the candle here. Look at how far, it has, moved. All right. Okay. And that's how far it has moved. But the analysis we have here, okay, our bias, as at this moment, is that possibly that price might continue, to make this fall. Okay, the price, I'm going to analyze it for you so that you guys can see, how it works. The price can, irrespective of the fact that we have a trend, line like this. A lot of people with different, stops that they, yeah, which is also a very good price. Respect those, levels too. Now, having looked at this, okay, and having seen this, let me lock this in so that's all right. Having seen this is our psychological level, and our zone, market still, this is actually a 1 hour time frame. If you look at what we have here, market still, plays around this psychological zone, and it was only once, I think, so far so good, that it went past above it and came back down into, you know this uh level here, and that's gives us, the bias to be look to see price, for the possibility that price, might definitely gonna fall. Okay, then we have this. If you also look at it from, smaller time frame, you see at the end of the day, you definitely get to understand why I'm, making all of this analysis, but from our desk, it is not, it's quite different, you know and this analysis, once it pops up, once this alert pops up, ours is just to analyze and look at the potential area time when price, or this price is, going to fall. And for swing traders, for those who have the big money traders, yeah, you can start, selling silver from here, anywhere around here, definitely anywhere around here. Okay, and it may not be much. Okay, whatever you're gonna pick may not be more, but I tell you, at the end of the day, you're just going to, be happy that you took silver. Okay, that you're selling silver. All right, so No, that's aside too. Let me also make sure everything is intact. Okay. Now, the most important thing is that as long as this psychological level here, this horizontal line remains intact, I told you that price was definitely going to fall, that we are going to, yes, be looking at price selling, not minding, this big candle that the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, what happened with the 1 hour time frame with this big candle, this big bullish candle. The aim, is still to sell. What's it called? Yeah, the aim for us here is still to sell gold. All right. Our analysis might be different from other people's analysis, but I tell you, so far so good. Yes, we solely rely on whatever it is that we have. You can see also in the 15-minute time frame, all right, that this is more like, okay, if for candlestick traders, this is more like an engulfing, okay, and in the 5-minute time frame you can also see the setup, and also in the 1 minute time frame you can also see the setup. All right, so we allow that all of that to happen, and once that happens, the next in is for us to begin to take our trade and look at the market with the bird's eye view. All right, you look at the market with the bird's eye view. Okay, but yet so far so good. Like I said, if you're a big money spender, you can start selling from here. Okay, you can start selling from anywhere around here. And if you're not a big money trader, sorry, I said spender, oh, trader. And if you're a big money trader, if you're not a big money trader, please just wait for a proper setup, or our Telegram channel is still very much empty. Just a few people who have joined us. You can just go there, because that is where the actual entry and exits and resetups happens. Ours is just to come here, and make all of this analysis happen. So we have chosen to sell silver, which is XAGUSD, and good for us that it's actually happening the way we want it to happen. All right, and that's very good on her. I mean, it's good on her side, and also good for everybody. Okay, and if you want to know how all of these things happens, yeah, you reach out to you can always reach out to you know reach out to us, via WhatsApp. Ask us anything. We're here to answer you, or you can just go directly to the education and do what? Read through, carefully read through, so that you get to understand, and then take any of the so far so good, the three courses we have: the one-on-one, the group training if you have a group, and also the mastery course. Okay, so which is that. So for now we go back to the live trading. The live trading is also another thing that we really want to focus on. Okay, for us it's not only about with training people. You might also be interested, maybe you might also be a struggling, let me use that word, no disrespect to anybody, you might be a struggling FX trader who needs guidance, who needs to experience the difference with an experienced trader or a group of experienced traders. You can just click on the live trading link, and then you come here, okay, and do what? Open an account with whatever you find there. And mostly I think, yeah, it's an account with it just takes you to our Telegram channel. All right, so it's not really, we've not really started populating it here, but for if you're interested, just a few, 1 2 people that have started with us, they know what they are getting. All right, they know what they're getting. All right, and also, yeah, these are the two stuffs we have. But most importantly, we try as much as possible to make sure that our uh, there are several means of reaching us, with which you know can reach us. This is our WhatsApp. You can reach us here, via WhatsApp. Ask us anything. Okay, that's our WhatsApp. Then there's also a live chat. Okay, this is a WhatsApp chat. This is also a WhatsApp chat. If you want it to be quick, okay, use this, the WhatsApp, and also you can also use the live chat. All right, then you can also send us email if you have things you really want us to take our time, to reason with you about, and also you can also send us a message. All right, but the fastest ones are the live chat, and most importantly, the WhatsApp chat. And if you're not that chatty kind of person, you can just go through our FAQ, the frequently asked questions. If this is able to answer all your questions, then you can just go ahead and sign up for the course and all that. So that's good. Okay, so back to the beginning. Oh yeah, back to the basics, back to where we're coming from. Let me keep this at a live trading, because that is what we are currently doing. And okay, so it's silver all the way. All right, so the intention is to sell silver. The intention, once again, I repeat, is to sell silver. All right. For this, I'm just gonna give one entry, but yeah, it's not what we really want to be doing. Okay, once that happens, I definitely am just gonna, like I said, if you're a big money trader, just use minimum risk management, and then you can take the trade and start trading anywhere from here. All right, anywhere from, sorry, anywhere from this level, or sorry, from this zone, start trading. All right, start selling, go. Yeah, but I really also need to let you know, like I said in the risk disclaimer, use money that you can afford to lose. Okay, because we will not ours is just to use, like I always say, the knowledge that we have to get the little we need to get out of the financial market, be it forex, be it crypto, be it commodities, be it futures, and be it anything tradable, all right, online, all right, financial trading, so, but you must know that it involves significant risk, and it may not be suitable. So don't say, he gave me signals, or he analyzed trade and he lost. Everybody loses. Go and read the book of Mark Douglas. You will understand, how this works. But there is something that separates us. Okay, separate the men from the boys. All right, yes, I think I should be proud to say that something separates the men from the boys. Our 20 years, okay, our 20 years, it's been almost 20 years, so to say, that we have been, all right, trading in the financial world. Almost 20 years that we have been trading in the financial world, and we can say that we are very, very happy. All right, very, very happy that all of these years we've been able to put together enough knowledge, enough discipline, enough of perseverance, and enough of so many things which we have put together, and that's currently you know generating all the love and all the um yeah, all the money that we you know currently are making. And that's so very good, honestly. That's so very good. All right, so that's it. Okay. All right, so silver. We have silver. We trade in silver, and we are looking for just one entry, for intraday trading, uh, based on what it is that I and the team of FX with the KG, know, and the method and the methodology that we have adopted, and yeah, which works. Okay, which definitely works. So I'll be here. Okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna take this cell. Okay, I'm going to take, this cell from here, where price currently is. All right, yes. All right, here you see. Okay, I'm going to take, that cell. I really need to show you if, that works for us. Let me show you on the screen. Okay, I'm trying to see how I can connect. Well, okay, oh, 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 oh. Okay, okay. I'm just coming. It's something I really need to put together. I'm trying to see if I can show this. So the intention is just to keep this, level very intact, this psychological level. Yeah, banks have their own psychological level. If you are an experienced trader, you definitely would, one way or the other, come up with, some things that work for you in the financial trading world, okay, or in the financial trading business. So this is, one of the things that we have built, for um, yeah, built that work. What have we launched? Okay. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Just keep to what you know. Just keep to what you have. It all, works at the end of the day. All right. So far, the level, see those, levels, the higher high, sorry, the higher high and or like I always, call it or say it out to people. So far, those levels still holds. Definitely, there are no big deals, to us. Nothing, you know, um, missing. Okay. We still have this, level very intact. It makes nothing. Price has to, okay, I don't have to really explain, it to anybody here, but this move here must be completed. Okay. This move must be completed before, you can begin to see any other rise. All right, this move must be, no matter how small, okay, no matter how big, it must be completed. So that's what I'm definitely going to hold on to. I've seen it work for several years, and there's no going back. All right. So for those of you that want, quick money, quick systems, please, uh, we have those influencers out there that shows you stuff. So you can also engage with them. It's no big deal. No disrespect to anybody though. All right. So, like I said, this move must be completed. It must be completed. Price started from here. It must be completed. All right. So something I really wanted to show. Let's see how it works. Okay. Yes. This is what I wanted to show. Okay. That's actually the entry that you're seeing there on your screen. Okay. I bought gold. All right. And I am going to hold on onto this, provided this level still remains very intact. And like I said, it must be completed. All right. This move from here, top, it's more, the bottom is from top to bottom, and then from bottom to top. All right. So like you can see, let me show you. All right, so it's from bottom to top and from top to bottom, so it must be completed, so nothing to worry about. So the only thing you really need to know is that you're trading a high volatile financial asset, so you must adapt to moves like that and like this, like that. All right, so that's it. So what have we? And while we are still looking at this, please don't forget that I said that this psychological level here, okay, this psychological level here must be, I mean, as long as price is still operating under here, and also this is just one of the reasons, the psychological level, okay, this is the psychological level, one of the reasons, one of the things we look at. And I had to hand draw it. All right, although there is um a means with which you may not be able to hand draw it, but yes, I had to hand draw this, which is what you can always get from FX trader KG.trade as a lifetime mentorship. All right, that's the mentorship we give for as a lifetime, and the mentorship is actually free, but the training costs you money. And sorry, the training is not for, that's the advanced course though. Yes, that's for the advanced course. So please let us just be very attentive. Okay, let us just be very, very attentive, very observant, and very calm. What goes up must what definitely comes down. All right. How many minutes have we spent so far? It's about 37 minutes. Wow, tried. Okay. And in the next 20 minutes, I might end this live stream. Okay. But whichever way it goes, um, whether we are profitable or not profitable, we have nothing to lose. And the most important thing is just for you to understand the concept. Okay. It's just for you to understand the concept. So in the next 20 minutes, it won't be up to 20 minutes though. I might have to end this live stream. Yeah. But I'll be here. Okay. So the analysis happens on the desktop on a PC, while the what's it called? The trading happens on our mobile phone. Okay. Yeah. So that's just what you're saying. And you can look at the current time. Okay. Look at the current time. This is a live trading. Okay. This is a live trading. Okay. So in a day, you can draw as many as, yeah, in a day, you can draw as many as 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 psychological levels. Just get the numbers from the FX with KG team, for those who have taken the class or taken the course, get the psychological levels, just, put it there on the screen. Okay, it's not the bank psychological level of 00, the round figure, psychological level. Those are very good too. Yes, those are very good. So in fact, you can, combine the two together. All right. You can very well combine the two together, but here you can just, take these figures and just put it there every day. All right. Just make sure you have it there. And the only reason is because we want to keep our students, and monitor their progress no matter where you come from. We want to keep our students. It's a lifetime mentorship. Once you take the course, once you register through us, once you are here with us, we just want you to, let us, reconnect every day. Okay, before the start of, let us reconnect. In fact, before the start of, the London session, psychological levels would have been, sent to you, and it's possible that you can use psychological level for as long as maybe a week, for as long as maybe a month. Okay, some are still, in that, regard valid. All right. So if you want daily psychological levels, if you want weekly, if you want monthly, yeah, but, you know, which is very, very great. So we are still at the point of our entry, and we're still at the point of the entry. And while we are still having this class, or sorry, this live stream, we're still, looking for opportunity to analyze other traits. Okay, opportunity to do what? To analyze other traits. And we haven't gotten anything yet. All right, gold is not farming. There is there is no big deal happening around gold if you look at it from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, okay, just let me see what I need to see. All right, okay, and we just going to just going to look at this from here. Just a moment. All right. We are just going to obey this. Okay. This level. Okay. Let me draw it very, professionally. Okay. I'll do it this way. All right. So we're just going to look at this and okay, I think I should use something that will stay from the platform itself. All right. I'm just going to take this. All right. Drop our yellow line and then go to maybe a smaller time frame and you see. All right. Okay. Okay. I know what I can see. I know what I'm saying. There's probability that, you know, if price comes back, a little bit, this is too much. Okay. If price comes back, make a little pullback. All right. And then it might be possible for, go to shoot up a little bit. Okay. It might be possible for go to shoot up a little bit. Anyway, so that's not what we are here for. Let's go back to what we have as the main deal for the moment. Okay, as the main deal for the moment, we still have silver at the level, okay, with which we analyze that provided this remains. Okay, we still have it at the psychological level, and based on the analysis, that if this remains. Okay, now let me give it to you. Let me just give it to you again today. Okay, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Okay, I may not be opportune to do that every day. All right, so as long as this remains intact, all right, as long as it remains very intact, okay, that means we will keep up with as long as this level actually remains the this level here. Let me draw this psychology. Okay, not okay, let me just put it here. That is 32.29. Okay, 288 though, but yeah, 32.29. As long as it remains intact, this cycle must finish. We must have a D. All right, I'm just giving you a tip of what you should be learning at FX Trader KG. So the D could be anywhere here. So once the D forms, that is where our take profit is going to come from. All right. We must have a D. A D, a D, a D. Look at how beautiful the drawing is. So what we did was just to look for an entry here. Although, let me give you an hint. There has been a move from here to here, and this is actually the second move, okay, that we are kind of looking at. All right. So let me redraw so you can see. I'll use a blue. This was the first move actually. Okay. And it ended here. And we are kind of like seeing this as the second move. So our D is actually what we are looking for. And I hope we get it. I'm not going to say we must get it. All right. So I'm trying to keep to time. I don't want to exceed our time. I have about 10 minutes to still, be here. I have about 10 minutes to be here. And while we are here, you can see what we have on the screen. The time is 3:24 and our sell order, remains very, very intact. Okay. Very, very intact. All right. Please, the point we're trying to make here is we're not trying to compete with anybody, and we're not trying to show off anything. In fact, you're gonna get more of this educational analysis and all what have you here than lifestyle. All right, you're gonna get more of that here. Okay, you want to learn, you want to make money, as a financial trader. You want to trade live with us, you want to listen to analysis, you want to relate with us. Yes, you're going to get it here. Okay. And you're going to get more of that than, any lifestyle that you are expecting to see every forex trader to be displaying. It's not about the cost, it's not about this is an occupation. Okay. This is a job. All right, it's a career path that most of us are choosing. All right, and it's also what's it's called another stream or a second stream of income that some also among us here have also chosen. So it's not a flashy lifestyle that you really expect to see. So if you mean business, be here and be here as quick as possible. I mean it. Be here. If you want to be here now. All right, if you want to be here. So every day, Monday to Friday, we're gonna be having live tradings here. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna be having live tradings here. And you are going to also, you want to take the class, you want to be independent and still get more insight. you know that is for in-house trading. We have a 3-month course, which is the one-on-one training, and we have the group. Okay, and the minimum must be 10 students. Okay, so your church, your organizations, your what have you want to take a course or a program online, please, it's 300, or your friends, a group of friends, and all of that. So that's it. And lastly, for now, yeah, for now, we're still trying to put up some stuff. The professional forest trading mastery course, which is the group training is also a 3 months, gives you 3 months access, okay, to be with us, access for training, mentorship for life. Okay, yeah, no, yeah, 3 months access, yeah, mentorship is gonna be there, but yes, but the mastery course, this is also everybody's a family here though. All right, but the mastery course, you are also gonna have a 12 months access. That's 1 year that we will continually, train you with advanced techniques, real world applications, professional mentorship, even if you wake us up in the middle of the night, yes, you're gonna have that privilege and that opportunity, and the curriculum is gonna be very comprehensive and so much more that you're gonna get. All right, so live trading, then the education, take our course, or you do live trading with us. Okay, so we have this. I don't want to exceed the time. I have just about 6 minutes. Okay, that's why I'm trying to round up. And like I said earlier on, please, that's the disclaimer. Don't say someone gave you trade, gave you an analysis, gave you signals to trade, and at the end of the day, you get this. Once we are fully up and running, this all this trading stuff, you're gonna be getting it. I think it's gonna be a unique link. All right, the link is going to be very unique, so it's not going to be open. Although maybe after we must have had this live trading with members, then what we are then going to do, it's just for us to analyze here. Then we go back to the Telegram channel, okay, and then look at what we are getting and what we are missing. If there are additional entries and all of that, if maybe we definitely put it in the Telegram channel, not the main Telegram channel, the exclusive Telegram. Yeah, that's for the VIP. Let's call it the VIP, right? Okay, so you get it there, and also if you really need to get out of any trade as fast as possible, you also get it there. So any emergency or any good news, you get it at the Telegram channel. All right, so that's um, the beauty of it. So we will be rounding up, and I hope we can do this tomorrow. Okay, just with this beautiful setup that we have also. Okay, and if there are other um trade ideas, strategies, analysis, that we still need to make for today, definitely. Funny enough, we've not even dropped anything into the Telegram, telling people to sell. Anyway, thank God it's a live stream, and we intend to keep the live streaming like that way. So you live stream with us, you understand us, and you prove, you verify that that yes, it is true, um, that we are not just making up trades. Okay, that we are not making up trades. All right. Um, so we still have about 3 minutes 46 seconds, but before then, I'm gonna shut this down. All right. All right. This is actually the day three. Okay, this is the day three. Day before yesterday, which is on the second, we traded gold. The asset that was traded was gold, and we made some profit, okay, off it. Let me just move here. Okay, this was okay, sorry, on the first we made some profit, which was very beautiful. And yesterday was just one trade opportunity that we had, and that trade opportunity was also gold. So on the 1st of October we traded gold, US 30, gold, and US 30, all was positive. Okay, and yesterday was gold. But today, what we have is we selling silver, and analysis has been made on our YouTube live stream, which we hope everybody can also go and look at and benefit from and see why we decided to sell gold. Okay, and I'm not going to make too much analysis here, but as long as this level remains intact and it's a cycle, it must it started here and ended here. This started another move, and it must end somewhere. All right, so that's just it. All right, so you guys, thank you very much, and peace. Love you. Bye.